Talk about how it's a cloudy evening, but I just got a peek at that radar on Wednesday. That's a lot of rain, it looks like.
You know, we need the rain.
Yeah.
It's not gonna bust the drought, but any rain we can get from two fronts basically is going to help us out just a little bit.
Okay.
But the bigger story though is the potential for a hard freeze. That's when temperatures are lower than 28 degrees for at least a couple of hours, and I think that
28.
not here in Mary, but we're going to be just above freezing here. A lot of numbers to crunch here. I'm going to go through that right now. The shock and awe of those temperatures now. Mid 50s up to the north, lower 60s now to the south and east. There's that satellite radar. There's that big high. Few showers down to the south, so that is certainly something that we're going to be watching. Winds are now out of the north and the east there. You can see the 12-hour planner falling back into the mid 50s. Out the door come daybreak tomorrow morning. We take a look at Palm Coast here. We're also going to be steady in the mid 50s with a good deal of clouds now overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, temperatures out the door here into Marion County. We're going to be running in the mid 40s, south of there, upper 40s to the lower 50s, and then the metro areas down towards Melbourne, over towards Satellite Beach, going to be running about 55 to about 63 degrees. So here's the setup. There's some of the rain that Michelle was talking about down to the south. A few of those showers may try to move into the southern reaches of our viewing area by the time we get you into late Tuesday afternoon. Now, the models are over aggressive with the rain, potentially as far north as the Villages. I doubt that. I think it's going to be Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Melbourne, and Palm Bay, if anybody's got the chance with some rain. And notice those temperatures tomorrow, upper 60s to the low 70s. About seasonable. That's going to be the only day this week that is seasonable. By the time we get to Friday, we'll have impact weather, more than likely being replaced by the red icon, our first warning severe weather day, due to the potential for a hard freeze, freezing temperatures, and feels like numbers that will be running in the 20s. Here's the reason why. First front has come on through, and then another front drops on in with a quick shot of rain, but more importantly, the coldest air of the season, and that's going to set the stage for values like this. Look at Friday morning. Ocala, potentially down to 26 degrees. DeLand, 29. Wildwood, 30. Leesburg, Claremont, below freezing. Over towards Sanford, Daytona Beach, just above the freezing mark. Then, when you factor in the potential for that hard freeze, look at the blue. This is the potential for a hard freeze. In the purple, the potential for a freeze. Will the outlying areas, rural areas there of Eastern Orange and Osceola get into it? Depends on the wind. That's something we're going to be watching now over the next couple of days. Boy, oh boy, feels like temperatures area-wide, even towards the coast, will be running in the middle to the upper 20s. And when you look at Orlando's high temperature on Friday, 57 degrees. Remember now, the normal overnight low temperature this time of the year is right around 49, 50 degrees. So when the afternoon highs are running in the mid 50s, you know you've got some cold air in play. Let's take a look now at Ocala. 26, 30, and 35. Could have a couple days of freezing temperatures and frost. Melbourne, 36, 42, and 48 degrees there respectively. So a lot of cold air on the way. And then as we head into the weekend, we've got this front that's going to drop on in. And what that will do is maintain these chilly temperatures right through the upcoming weekend. So let's put it all together here for you one more time. Coastal 7-day forecast has readings in the 60s and 50s over the next 7 days.